I first became aware of eToro on the BBC documentary. I remember logging on that evening and opening an account and started trading that evening, I believe. The main features of the website that helped me specifically in trading are the live feeds and the charts. To be one of the best traders on eToro, it's a big achievement. I feel I've worked really hard to get to that level. My advice to any new traders who are thinking of joining eToro would be definitely open a demo account, open some trades, and then dip your toes in the water and start opening some real trades. One of the advantages of eToro is you can start off with a small amount and watch that grow.
I am 36 now, going on 37. I've lived in the UK for 9 years. I joined eToro when a friend of mine invited me through one of the links that you can share from your eToro portfolio. I was quite curious about the social trading mechanism. I think the benefits in copying are tremendous. If you're someone that has no idea about any finance or any sector, any industries, and you know that there are people out there that know a lot about particular industries, you can instantly benefit from their knowledge. There are some people that are very successful, and I'm always a little tempted to copy some of those more successful people. At the moment, I just tend to follow their strategies and am probably influenced by their strategies. My favorite features of eToro are the dashboards that you can have about your own performance. The platform is open, so for those people that don't have private profiles, you can look at their profiles and you can see a lot of detail about how they've done historically. I also really like the walls. So for any market or person, you have a place where people can share information. User experience is really, really important. And eToro has a really good desktop app and the mobile app. So literally any computer that you're on, you can log into a browser and have a quick look. Of course, something that everyone's looking for when they're dealing with money on the internet, and what eToro does really well, is ensuring that they're secure and that you know they're secure. Those combine mean that the platform is one that I enjoy more than any other that I've been exposed to. I think I'm a medium risk trader on eToro. So I put 50 to 80% of my funds into big, high-tech, solid companies. 20-30% of that into smaller, younger companies that I think have a bright future. And then the remaining portion I put into cryptos. The key benefits of trading cryptos on eToro is how easy it is. On eToro, I click buy, it happens. I'm really honored to be one of eToro's top traders within the Popular Investor Program. My best feature as a trader is that I'm able to absorb information and make decisions based on many sources of information very quickly. There's a saying that if you can't make money while you sleep, you're going to work until you die. And that's something that I would like to avoid.
I'm Jay, I'm 28. I come from Kent originally, but I live in Basingstoke now. I started trading shortly after the financial crisis. I looked at inflation rates and thought that I could do better than a bank account effectively. I think eToro is a very different experience to using any other trading platform. Most platforms are quite solitary. You don't really interact with very many people, whereas eToro really focuses on making sure that people can communicate with each other and see what each other are doing and check each other's profiles, see who's invested in what, how much of the market is buying and selling at one time. I think my favorite assets to trade are probably quite clear cryptocurrencies. I absolutely love cryptocurrencies. I trust trading cryptocurrencies on eToro a lot more than I do outside of eToro or anywhere else. A lot of my friends are the kind of people who work in a warehouse and have no idea how markets work. And that doesn't matter on eToro because you can just find someone else that does.
I have no financial background. My main profession is being a housewife. I started trading on eToro because I just loved how easy it was to navigate on your website. It felt like, anyone could do this. When I was before, having my money invested by other companies, I didn't really know what they were doing. But what I love about eToro is that you can see exactly what that trader's doing. It feels great to be a popular investor. I think I have a good discipline and a good control, and I don't get carried away, and I'm not a gambler. I see myself as an investor. I try to keep a balanced portfolio, so even if a crash came, I'd just be buying those same amazing stocks at a cheaper price. So that way it's just win, win, win. The more you trade, the more experience you have. It's not like being a rock star. You get better as you get older.